हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। आई होप कि आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे और आप सभी ने जो पिछला चैप्टर है वो अच्छे से कंप्लीट कर लिया होगा। सो नाउ लेट्स मूव इनटू द चैप्टर नंबर 22 एंड द चैप्टर नेम इज एसे राइटिंग। पार्ट ए, रीड द फॉलोइंग एसेज। यहाँ पर आपको कुछ एसे दे रखे हैं, उनको अच्छे से रीड करना है। फर्स्ट एसे का टॉपिक है वैल्यू ऑफ हाइजीन। So let's read this one. A sense of good hygiene is important for preventing the spread of infectious disease and helping children lead long, healthy lives. It also helps them going to school regularly and come up with better learning outcomes. So good hygiene means avoiding illness and spending less on healthcare. It also helps in maintaining good social status and help individual maintain self-confidence. Important hygiene behaviors can be developed only when we have the right knowledge and skills and adequate community support. We should think that our own behavior can actually make a difference. Many children around the world live in conditions that make it difficult to maintain good hygiene. Their bad home, school, and health centers have dirt floors where water for hand washing is not available. At some places, families share spaces with domestic animals. Here, maintaining hygiene can be a challenge. All of us have to take care of the cleanliness, maintaining good hygiene, and making a good environment to live in. तो इस पूरे जो essay है, इसमें आपको hygiene के बारे में बता रखा है, ठीक है? Now the next essay topic is a rainy day. Change is the law of nature. Like all natural things, season also change with the passage of time. In India, summer season is followed by the rainy season. People pray for rain when the hot rays of sun burn the skin. When the heaps of dark clouds come near to each other and the sky roar with lightning, every heart bounces with joy. Last evening, I was at my uncle's place. It was very hot outside. Suddenly, the clouds came together and clashed with each other. After lightning and thunder for some time, it started drizzling. In no time, it was raining cats and dogs. Raining cats and dogs का मतलब raining heavily. बहुत तेजी से बारिश हो रही थी. Okay, I looked in the street. The people were coming and going with umbrellas in their hands. The children walked up and down the streets. They were overjoyed with the rain and laughing in joy. A flock of birds sitting on the electricity wire shook their bodies vigorously to get themselves dry. We sailed paper boats in the tiny streams of rainwater. A quick shower of rain brought coolness in the air. तो यहाँ पर रेनी सीजन के बारे में डिस्क्राइब कर रखा है. Now the next essay topic is Mother Teresa. Agnes Gonza Bezaziu was born in August 1910 at Skopje in North Macedonia. She sailed to India when she was a young girl. She became the principal of St. Agnes High School for Girls at Kolkata after years of teaching in the congregation schools and convents. After some time, the poverty of the Indians caught her attention. She was deeply stirred in her mind. She adopted Indian citizenship in 1948. She went about collecting needy people from the streets. She housed them and begged from door to door for food. In 1956, she founded Nirmal Hriday. It was a home for the dying destitutes. It was denoted by the Calcutta Corporation authorities. Later, she formed the Missionaries of Charity in Kolkata. She won many awards and honors. She won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 and Bharat Ratna in 1980. तो यहाँ पर इस पूरे essay में मदर टेरेसा के बारे में बताया गया है. Now next is self-evaluation part. Part B, write essay on the following topic. तो आपको इन following topic पे essay लिखना है. Okay students, I hope student that you understood this chapter and आपका homework है कि आपको इन following topic पे essay लिखना है. Now I'm going to meet you in another class. Children, students, bye bye.